Welcome back, everyone. This is Native Trader here with another after action report. Today we're going to go over Starbucks. This is the trade that you should have been in today. And if you were not in today, I'm going to show you how you could have been in today. So when you see this setup, and it does not matter what stock or what financial instrument it might be, crypto, forex, futures, doesn't matter. The setups and the entries are always going to be the same. So I'm going to show you how you should have traded Starbucks today, but it is applicable to whatever financial market you like to trade. What I like to do is I like to create the opening zone. If you trade the US stock market and you follow stocks, you should always create what I call the opening zone. Now, what is the opening zone? It is simply this. You take the lowest point of the previous day, which the previous day was right here, which is Friday. Today is Monday, the 18th. So we go back to Friday, and we take the lowest point. I like to go about a half hour back to find the lowest point. So the lowest point would have been about right here. And we note that, draw a line. Next, I like to find the highest point. And again, I like to go about a half hour back. It's going to be around right there. And then finally, what I like to do is I like to find the 20 moving average. If you look at my chart, it's real simple. It's clean, it's precise. I only have the 20 and the 200 on my charts. It allows me to make a uncluttered decision whenever I'm looking at my charts. So we'll take the 20, which is right here, and we'll move it across just like that. So relatively, that is your opening zone. Those are your 4 points that make your opening zone, okay? So what do we do then? Well, we wait. The first bar broke a little bit and then it bounced up. The second bar cleared our zone. And not only did it clear our zone, but if you look, it cleared above the 20, and it's actually pushing off the 200. This is a perfect position right there. I would get in for 2 lots. Then the next step is we wait for the retracement, or we wait for the removal of red. And the first removal of red comes right at that point right here. This is where we would strike for another one. Now, what I want to mention is on our entry position, I like to go 1 bar down, meaning if the trade were to go against me, I would only lose 1 bar. So here is where I would put the stop. If we got in here on this bar, we would stop 1 bar below, right there. This is our stop, okay? After we get in our entry, our add entry, we wait for price to move up. I probably would have gotten out right here. This ensures that we have a profit for the day. You know, we're not doing this for free. This is something we do to put food on the table and feed our families. We would get out right here. 2 lots here. Immediately, the moment you take profit on any trade, and again, it does not matter what financial instrument or market you are in, the moment you take profit, rotate your stop to break even. So at this point, we would rotate our stop up to here. This is our new break-even point right here. And guess what? We have a free trade. Not only have we taken profit here, but we still have 1 unit left. 1 unit left. And you can let it ride. You can let that 1 unit ride the rest of the day, or you can wait for however long you want to wait to take the remaining profit. But if this trade were to come back down, you have a break-even stop to where it is essentially at this point a free trade. So, I probably would have, if I had my choice, it's easy to say. Maybe we all like to say we get out here. Okay, maybe if you got out here, that's also not a bad point. But somewhere in between here and here, this would be your final one. And that is how you would play Starbucks today. Keep in mind, this is a template for any financial instrument. However, if you were truly looking to make money with Starbucks, this was how you should have played this today. And this template can be applicable, again, to anything. Bitcoin, futures market, whatever you're trading, whatever you're into. Follow this simple concept. Before the market opens in whatever financial market you play, always start with your opening zone. From the opening zone, you wait. On the second bar today, opportunity presented itself. You strike. You wait. Wait for the first removal of red from green right here. Always add on the first removal, and then let it rip. And when it gets a little bit above here, you got a good profit. This is from here. You got 1, 2, you got 3 pushes up here. That's a good place to take profit. We rotate our stop to break even. Break even is always the last point of which we added there, and then we let it rip from this point up this way, and then we get out somewhere between here and here, and we're done for the day. This is how you play Starbucks. This is how you make money. It all starts with this simple setup. Thank you again for watching. I'm Native Day Trader. If you found this at all helpful, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment if there are other financial instruments you would like to see traded, or maybe a trade analysis, a breakdown of how you could have gotten into a trade. Leave it in the comments below, and I will do my best to make sure that I do that. Thank you again. Until next time, keep trading.